Hey, I'm Mike, and this is Hot Reviews. Today on Hot Reviews, I'm going to be trying 30-second hot bird noodle. So a friend of mine posted this fine product on Facebook, and I knew right away I had to give it a try. What drew me to it was just the packaging. Like, look at that guy. It's like a rockin' rooster. A rock cock. He's giving the sign of the beast. He's got some studs on his jacket. Waving a cool-ass fan. I love the little quotes on the package, too. Devil's hotness. Screaming soul. 30 seconds open, the hot fantasy life. So basically, you just follow the simple instructions on the back here. What you end up with is a soupy bowl of noodles. So for ingredients, you got your basic noodles there. And then a sauce, number one ingredient is pepper. Don't really smell any heat off them. Let's give them a try. Honestly, I'm not really getting any heat off of this at all. I like the texture of the noodles. Like, it's a lot different than the Samyang 2x spicy hot chicken flavored ramen. The Samyang noodles, they come hard, but these ones were soft. I think these ones taste a lot better. I'm starting to get just like the slightest tingle of heat on my lips, but I'm not really tasting any heat like in my mouth at all. Compared to some of the other Asian instant noodles out there, I'd say that these ones are pretty tasty. As far as heat goes, I personally would like to be a little hotter. But for the average consumer who wants some noodles with a little kick, these will probably be pretty good for you. Let's see how the spicy water tastes. The water itself has a bit of a kick to it. That's pretty good, actually. The water's got a real good peppery taste to it. I think somebody should market that. Hot water? Why not? What do you think, guys? How about some pepper soda? I'd give that a try. How about a nice cold glass of pepper juice from concentrate? Thanks for watching this episode of Hot Reviews. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you haven't already, you can also subscribe. We have some wicked shirts at TeePublic. Details are in the description. Thanks for watching Hot Reviews, and we'll see you next time.